Hi mga ka-IT! Hi everyone! Welcome to today's networking tutorial. I am going to demo on how spanning tree protocol and link aggregation in Cisco Packet Tracer. This will help prevent network loops and improve redundancy in real-world networking. So let's just begin. The first goal is show how STP blocks redundant paths. So, natalnat ko na siya, then na-configure using trunking and routing on a stick. So, mag-add na lang ako dito ng another switch. Nag-add ako ng another switch, then i-connect lang natin siya using copper straight through. So, connect natin siya sa slash 21 to 21. Slash 22 to 22. Then, let's start with S1. We'll set the trunking port for STP to operate. So, set tayo. Enter. Enable conft interface F021 switch port mode trunk, then exit. So, naano na natin sa S1. Let's proceed to switch 2. Same lang din kay S1. Dito, ensure trunking with the central switches. Enable const, then int FA0/22. Switch port mode trunk. Exit. So, okay na, na-configure na natin sa S2. Now, configure S3 and assign the VLANs to enable communication. Enable const VLAN 17, exit VLAN 77, exit. Then int range pass Ethernet 0/21 and 22. Switch port mode trunk, exit. So, after a few seconds, makikita natin na may orange na sa isang switch ports. The STP in actions blocking redundant paths to avoid loops. So, use show spanning tree to verify ports roles like root port, designated port, and blocking para ma-prevent yung redundancy. So, the next goal natin is to create Ether channel using LockP and PAGP and mode on. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng dalawang switch. Then, switch. Saka dalawang PC. Then, i-connect na rin natin siya using connection for copper straight through. Then, connection for 6 7, 8, then 4, 5, then 9 to 10. Yan. So, na-connect na natin siya sa mga switches and PC. So, let's configure lock key between S1 and S3. We'll use fast Ethernet 6 to 8. So, this is the switch 1. Enable. Ay, exit muna natin. Exit, conft, VLAN 17, exit, VLAN 77, exit, int, range, F0, 6 to 8. Then channel, group, 1, mode active. Then exit, int for channel 1, switch port node trunk. Then let's proceed to S3. S3, configure lang din natin siya. So, wait. Conf. So, pakilala muna natin ang VLAN. Int range. So, wait lang. Int range 0/6 to 8. Then, channel group 1 mode passive. Mode passive. Sit int port channel 1 switch port mode trunk. Tapos check natin kay Ether channel kung nag-a-appear ba, kung okay ba siya. Then exit, show Ether channel summary para makita natin kung down ba siya or hindi. So, yan. Layer 2 in use. Okay. Then, now for PagP, it works with Cisco device using auto or desirable modes. So, punta tayo sa S2 configuration. This is the S2. Enable conft, then pakilala muna natin mga VLANs. VLAN 77, exit, int range F0, 9 to 10. Then channel group is 2, mode is auto. Then exit, int for channel 2, then switch for mode track. So, balik tayo kay S3. Fast forward. Balik tayo kay S3. Enable config int range F0/9. So, yan. Si PagP automatically negotiates aggregations. So, punta naman tayo sa mode on. Fine, let's try manual ether channel using mode on between S1 and S2 using FA 0/4 to 5. So, switch 1 configuration. Int enable config, then int range 0/4/5, then channel group 3 mode on, exit in for channel 3, switch port mode track. So, punta naman tayo kay switch 2. Switch to enable config int range FA0/4 channel group 3 mode on, exit and in for channel 3, then switch port mode track. So with mode on, there's no negotiations. Make sure both sides are configured identically. So, para malaman natin, exit, enable, then show ether channel summary. So, nasan si, suspended, then import channel is suspended. So, yan. And that's it. You have seen how STP helps avoid loops and how Ether channel improves redundancy and bandwidth using LACP, PAGP, and mode on. If you want more video, you can see another video or other packet tracer tutorial.